robot language has a unique feature. It allows you to insert C# code in the script and assigns its result to a variable. The C# code must be embraced with these special macro characters available by pressing Ctrl+9 or accessing it from the menu. So let's run this simple script. System date time now, and run this. The dialog box displays current date and time retrieved by a C# snippet. You can also display year only. Let's press F9. Or you can use a custom date format. In this example, it will be passed to a snippet in a variable called format. Y hash 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 and dd to string format. Let's run this.